Are you ready to unlock the secrets to attracting more customers and boosting your sales every day? Well, you're in the right place. Local businesses are the heart and soul of our communities. But how do you stand out in a crowded market? Enter digital marketing, a game changer for businesses just like yours. Joyno Media Marketing specializes in simple and effective strategies that bring customers to your doorstep and keep them coming back for more. How can digital marketing solve your business challenges? It increases your visibility. Imagine your business being the first thing customers see when they search online or scroll through social media. That's the power of digital marketing. It also drives sales. Digital marketing lets you reach potential customers with irresistible offers and promotions, turning those clicks into cash. It's like having a 24/7 salesperson working for you. If you're ready to magnetize more customers, boost your sales, and see your local business thrive, Joyno Media Marketing is here to make it happen. Contact Joyno Media Marketing today, and let's start your digital success journey.